Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is well. Today I have brought you a very easy and delicious restaurant style Momo recipe. So let's start, friends. Take 2/3 cup of flour and mix it with a little salt and oil and mix it well with warm water and make a soft dough. Now let's move on to the next step. First, arrange the minced meat in a bowl. Add onion, ginger garlic paste, salt, cumin, and a little soy sauce. And chopped coriander leaves. Now, put a pan on the stove and add oil. Now add chopped onion, chili, ginger garlic paste, chopped coriander leaves, minced meat one by one and make a filling. One edge. Now, make small rotis with the prepared dough. Put the filling in the middle of the roti and fold it nicely. Make all the momos in the same way. If you want, make momo soup in the shape of your choice. Arrange the momos in a steamer and steam for 10 to 12 minutes. You will know that the momos are completely cooked when they puff up.